Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, on a Sunday, yes, on Sunday, August the 20th, 2023. We have no newspaper. We have the additional of the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, August the 19th, 2023. Here in this additional we have a ladder Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch they call it cypherblock, in Japanese Suguru. 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon, and in the evening I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. But let me start with this one. This one will be number 6953. Oh, apologies. 6953. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has not 25 printed digits. No, it has 30 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one. 30. For 3 stars, I need to solve in 20 to 30 minutes. But I think it's 0 stars. 0 stars, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or a 3 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So first row, only 2 place level, the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 place level, the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place level, the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between the only place level the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 place level the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Okay. How about 4 in this row, third row, 4 in the second row. So first row, only place level 4 should be down. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright, and now. How about? Yeah. Two in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. one of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in the third row, no 2 there. Here 2 in one of those two boxes in the second row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 2. I need to wait. How about the 8 in this column, the 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. And 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. This is for number 2. Alright. Okay. And now, how about the 3 here? Okay. I'm thinking. 5 and 3. Come on. This is taking too long. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 3, 9, okay. 5. Need a 5 here. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Can I count? Yes. No. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 5. Okay. Alright. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright. Then let me see 7 and 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. Two missing numbers in this big square from was 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in a row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Oh, I eat 7. 1 box left in this row for the man. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So first column, the only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between the only place left with 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number. Oh, apologies. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square from us. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, don't think it's a 3 star, also not a 2 stars, also not a 1 star. It's a 0 stars puzzle publisher. Wrong indication with 30 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25 printed digits, so very disappointing. Publisher, next time you need to correct the indication, because the indication is totally wrong. 3 stars. Well, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.